my channel. So today we're gonna show you. This is my sister right there. I'm going to show you. This is the slime that I'm trying to show. So okay, tomorrow is school, but not the first time school. It's the regular school. Okay, and look at this slime. Just look at it, guys.
Play the piano.
It's a little bit sticky though, because I etch up a lot of glue like the next one that I made, the white one or something else. I don't know. So my sister's playing my father's telephone. So yeah. So I like the way that we did. Always. This is so pretty. My brother's so excited. This is for my son. So guys, I make blue slime. I don't know what to call it. I don't know what I call it. I don't know what I'm gonna call it. So if you wanna make blue slime like me, you just pour do glue and soap. The blue soap. The Clorox. Clorox. I don't know what it's called, but it's the blue soap. It's just blue. And then you put soap first, then the regular, then put soap. And then it's gonna come. So bye. I'm gonna see what they're looking at. Bonito! It's guys, it's a ambulance and it's so big. I think someone hurt. I think someone did. Let me try it.
Oh, there's some people! There's some people!
Wait.
There's some people!
Okay, guys. Sticky dough. So, yeah. So,
What's, and put purple. Hella. You spell hella? I don't know which color. I want
blue John.
blue. Light blue. Yeah.
Okay, guys, I'll put that. Okay, subscribe to my channel and give us a big thumbs up and comment down below if you want to make this slime. What slime do you like? Okay, guys, and give us likes, and I want 400,000 likes. And please subscribe and give us a big thumbs up and subscribe and comment down below what slime you want, please, guys. Because I want it like that, because I do it in a show. Bye, guys. I hope you do that.